Hello, this is a short video on how to reset your WCO password.
If you have lost or forgotten your password, here are the steps you can take to reset it. Under the Login button, there will be a Reset Your Password button which you can click on. After clicking on this button, a window should pop up that will allow you to enter in the email address used for your WCOnline account. You should then receive an email that contains a password token and a link to the WCOnline page in case that you had closed it. Enter the token you received from the email alongside your new password in the respective boxes to reset your password.
To stay in contact with the Writing Center, you can email us at writingcenter@ou.edu through our phone number 405-325-2936, our website write.ou.edu, and through social media with the @OUWrites. This video was created by Andy Ramirez, a writing consultant at the University of Oklahoma's Writing Center.